can get solutions to some problems without any use of any chemical and expensive products. So what we are waiting for? God has given us a natural medicine in the form of a cost-free medicine in the form of aloe vera that will remove all the pimples, acne, and remove darkness, and remove sunburn, and give a beautiful glow and shine to our skin. And the aloe vera juice which cleansify our total body in very easy way. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sustainable Gardening at Home. So today I will be sharing with you the easy way to make how to make aloe vera gel, a pure chemical free aloe vera gel at home in very easy steps. And I will be sharing a trick with you that will help you to store this gel for up to 6 months. And very enjoyable journey let's start very enjoyable journey of making aloe vera gel. So friends, I have cut down the leaves in the amount which I wanted, and I have washed it also, as you can see. And now I will place it on this plate and put it in my room in a corner for 12 hours. Okay, like this, and just wait for 12 hours and we'll meet again. Hey buddies, again hi after 12 hours. Now I will wash it again, and you can see the latex, yellow latex, if it is seen in the camera. Now I'll wash it again. I have washed it again, and now it's time to peel off all the sheath, the green sheath which is present on these leaves.
Lately, I've been lying to myself. No, I need to get some help. Hoping you could save me, baby. Put our pictures on the shelf. Swore I'm over you, oh well, it's not that easy. Waking up in this place.
It's done. All the sheets are removed, and this is the sheets. Now I'll wash it again. Now put it in a blender. Take a blender and now put it in a blender and blend it. I'm blending it. This is the blended mixture. Now it is a trick time. To store this aloe vera gel for up to 6 months, we will use this one, vitamin C tablets that I have bought from a local medical store, and it is very cheap. I have bought 3 tablets for 5 rupees. And now just crush it and put it in this aloe vera gel. I'll blend it again, this gel, with these tablets. So let's meet after this. This is all ready, and now the last step is it is second last step, to pour this in this jar. Oh, koi nahi. Now just refrigerate this for up to 2 hours, and we will meet after this refrigeration. For aloe vera juice, first of all we cut a leaf from aloe vera plant. Good job. I want to make aloe vera juice in small quantity, that's why I have cut it only one leaf. And now just process it. First of all we'll wash it. पहले wash कर देंगे. Then I'll remove all this green sheath that is present in this leaf, and I'll meet you after when I removed all the sheath and dirt from this aloe vera gel, aloe vera leaf. Now wash this and let's meet after blending it. So hope you guys like this video and do try the aloe vera gel, because this aloe vera gel will do the same work that a market lotion and cream do. And do try this aloe vera juice recipe also, because inner beauty is as much important than the outer beauty. And guys, there is a important note for you. If any one of you do not have the aloe vera plant, then we will be providing you with a healthy aloe vera plant, but only for Delhi area at your home. And for more information, see the description, and do subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for the latest notifications of my video, and share this video as much as you can, and like. So bye bye guys, and have a nice day. Hope you all are very healthy and fit, and you beware of the air pollution and corona pandemic. So bye.